At Cryoport, we're taking risk mitigation to the next level. We've developed the industry's first and only fully validated cleaning and disinfection methodology, Veri-Clean, for one reason: to protect your valuable commodities. Veri-Clean, our leading-edge cleaning and disinfection program, decontaminates all cryo shippers and stainless steel accessories. First, a manual cleaning validation eliminates biomolecules. Next, disinfection with Cryoport's validated cleaning processes eliminates microorganisms. The result? A greater than 6-log reduction in environmental contaminants. Validated by an accredited laboratory, Veri-Clean is just one example of Cryoport's continuing dedication to risk mitigation, traceability, and efficiency. For the care and transport of your critical therapies or valuable genetics, trust Cryoport.